Southwest rugs have been popular for decades because they are beautiful and timeless. In 2009, the Persian carpet launched a new division of the company called Southwest Looms. The owner of our company and my father, Doug Lay, had an inspiration to take an iconic trade blanket made by Pendleton Woolen Mills and have it translated into a hand-knotted carpet. He presented the beautiful outcome to the vice president of Pendleton, who fell in love with the rug and asked us to become the official rug producers for their company. Since that time, Southwest Looms has put down firm roots as a leading producer of handmade rugs that capture the essence of the American Southwest. We now offer 6 different collections of rugs in the Southwest genre, including 2 proprietary Pendleton collections, 3 collections of flat weave rugs that reproduce the look and feel of Navajo rugs, and a contemporary collection called Santa Fe that offers the lodge look with a modern twist. Our rugs are made in India using high-quality New Zealand wool. We sell to stores and designers across the country and the world. Our products are loved for their uniqueness, quality, and beauty.